Let's take a look at the ingredients for our jammers. Nothing too complex. You can get all of this stuff in your local grocery store. And let's start with the jam. We're gonna go with a pure Smucker's raspberry jam, but it's important that you get the seedless variety. We have some sunflower oil. We'll use a bit of that. Basic white granulated sugar. And perhaps the most important ingredient for our jammers is the mini brioche bun. And you can get these at No Frills or Loblaws, and they come in this 12-pack. And it's important that you get the brioche because these things are sweet. They're actually too sweet to use for anything else other than a dessert. Tools required for the jammers. We've got a couple of things here that make the job easier. We're going to use a chopstick to poke in to the bun and create a bit of a cavity for the jam. We also found this confectioner's syringe that will fill with the jam and inject into that newly formed cavity that we've put in the buns. And other than that, we just have a stove and a cast iron skillet, and that's all we need. We've got our tools and our ingredients. We're ready to go. Okay, the first step is to take our chopstick, and using the fat end, we're gonna poke into the side of the brioche bun. Okay, go in about 2/3. You don't wanna poke all the way through. And then when you get to that point, just rotate around and you can sort of press the bun out and create a little pocket. Okay, we're gonna try to get about, 10 mils of seedless raspberry into the pocket. Okay, so now we're gonna take our loaded syringe and inject it into our jammer pocket and squirt about 10 mils. Oh, this one's nice and full. You wanna get it right up in there. After you've injected the jam filling into the brioche pocket, you want to close the opening a little bit. So just use the end of the chopstick and squeeze it back in together so you can't see the hole anymore. There you go. So you've got your loaded brioche, and we're only a couple of steps away from the finished jam donut. So now all we're doing is lightly oiling our cast iron skillet with some sunflower oil, and we've basted the brioche with the oil, and we're just going to toast it up a bit. You can see the sides of the brioche that didn't get baked at the bakeries. We want to toast those up a little bit so it's consistently brown around the whole jammer. So we're going to toast that at medium heat on the skillet. Okay, after we've toasted the brioche, we're ready to roll it in sugar. You want to do that while it's still warm, and the little bit of oil that you have on it will be perfect for the sugar to stick to. And here you have it. Pretty labor intensive to create one jam donut, but I think you'll find that it's worth it. Matt really loved jam donuts. He had a bit of a problem. He was, some would say he was addicted to them. And he had to get some help to deal with his addiction. This one's for my buddy Matt. Enjoy.